Okay, you young people. Okay, now let me explain to you what this place is. Okay. I want you guys to put your hand like this. And you say this to me. Good afternoon, Uncle. Say it.
Afternoon.
They have permission to come to your house. Say it.
They have permission to come to our house.
And I say, why? And you young people will say, to have tea with my honorable Chinese uncle. Say it.
Have tea with my honorable Chinese uncle.
And I say, why? Your gentle, sweet voice. Mellow, quiet. And say, because we love you. Say it. Because we love you. This is the only place you have to come to.
You're so happy.
Get abused by this old man. Okay. Now, let me explain to you about this house. How many of you are tea drinkers? Well, good. How many of you are coffee drinkers? How many of you drink like 3 cups of coffee a day? Now, if you drink enough tea, you'll be young and sexual. How old are you? If you guess my age, I'll give you 1 pound of tea.
I'm not saying anything. Why do you look at me like that? I wouldn't.
Take a guess. Take a guess.
86.
Huh?
86.
What?
86.
Okay, who else?
75.
74.
One more.
50.
77.
72.
86.
Oh, none of you hit 0 yet. I'm 91.
Wow.
I never drink coffee. I graduated from UC Berkeley, class of 54. I'm a master's degree, Georgia Tech, class of 57. I am a Succulent engineer. I did UC 60. That's 31 years old. Did that big thing this whole time. Your bladder will never hold it. All you have to learn to do, first thing, you drink 1 cup, if I say 10 cup or 12 cup, so if you drink the water out, you leave the wet TV on the table only for 1 hour. If you're not going to drink anything in that 1 hour, you have to just wet TV back in your refrigeration. Remember, wet TV is good for 24 hours. Never throw the tea because people expect you to buy the tea and throw it away. That's their fridge because you throw the best part of the tea. So remember, wet TV is good for 24 hours. White TV is set to pure. It's 2.5 to 3 years. A 14 like those black teas I show you, that's good. The unlimited shelf life. The older the tea is, the more expensive it gets. I put my granddaughter through college. Those kind of tea right here. I have some 90 years old. So the price of that tea now is no longer $10, $20. Now the tea is $12, $13, $14, $15,000. I put my granddaughter through school. I sent my tea back to China and auction it up.
Alright guys, we're here at the Hong Kong Chinatown. Pan around here. Lots of markets, lots of shops. We just took a
a tea tour and a tea shop. Bought some tea from a TripAdvisor tea shop. We'll post that later. Pretty cool. Yesterday we went to Little Italy. Today we're in Chinatown. Haven't even left San Francisco. Pretty cool. Let's go explore. Pan around here. More teas. Lots of unique fish. Fried fish. Fried fish. The eel. Squid. Every kind of seafood you can imagine. Right here. Pretty cool. Keep on exploring. Oh look. New Moon restaurant. Gonna try some dim sum. Wanna try? No, let's just go across there. Oh, look, I'm in the car. Yeah. No, I left in the car on the cruise ship. Let's see what we
Chicken
can.
leg, tofu. They got that little plate. It has dim sum and then I think that rice.
Well, let's keep going. Let's see if we can find one we can actually sit down in. No, no. Let's see. There's a bakery. Tea, coffee, bread, bakery. What's this one called? Little Swan Bakery Cafe. A roasted duck. Lots of unique foods here. There's a butcher. Yeah.